Here's what you missed this morning on the Early Bird Special.
Netflix is testing out a way to end password sharing. I feel like the intention is to just get more people to sign up for an account.
I think that's bad news for me.
That's bad news for me too, because I'm not a Netflix owner. I've never been. I've always had a Netflix donor, and I'm going to figure out a way to finesse it every time.
It's still going to happen.
Listen to the Early Bird Special, Monday through Friday from 7 till 9 a.m. only on Rowan Radio, 89.7 WGLS FM.